Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be removing the center console shifter area to replace it with the carbon fiber piece. So what you're going to start doing, get a pry tool like so. You're going to stick the pry tool in here and you're going to start pulling back on this. Once you do that, you'll see you create a little gap here and you're going to get another pry tool to pull that back. So let me get another pry tool and I'll show you how that works. Okay, so start pulling back on this piece here. Always pops out. You're going to get your pry tool in, pop, pop. This piece comes back. Once you do that, you're going to come into here and you're going to start prying this piece up. I'll show you exactly where to place this. Let me move the camera around. So what I like to do is get your pry tool in here toward the middle area. Not sure how good you can see that little shadow because I have light coming from above. Then you're going to pry from the bottom, twist a little bit. Same thing with this side. And then most of the console is going to come up. Now you're going to have to put something in over here in order to push the clips inward this way. So let me go grab something to put in there. A lot of people say use a screwdriver. I'm going to try a pry tool, and then worst case I'll get a flathead. You're not going to scratch anything because it's in the front in between the two plastic, so you're not going to see anything. But nonetheless, you don't want to cause any damage. You could always refer to the new part you have if you have to pull this out. But I'm going to put a pry tool and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so I have my pry tool in. It's a hooked one. And I'm going to put some pressure inward this way. Oh, I think I got this side out. I'm going to hold it up a little bit. Same thing with this one. They're both around this area in reference to the cigarette lighter. See it right there? There should be a clip here and a clip there, one on each side. So let's try to get this in. Nope. Sorry about that. Got it. So got the piece out. No broken clips. This is essentially what you're pushing in. Right here. Let me see if I can balance it. So you got to push these in here. And like I said, you're going to be on each side of the cigarette lighter or power charger, whatever you want to call it. But that's basically it. The new part just basically goes on same way, snaps in. Okay, so we have our carbon fiber piece. Real nice, real carbon. We're going to start the same way. There's a piece right here that lines up with a hole that's right over here. So we're going to line this up. And then we're going to just click in and work our way back. And obviously, in's always easier than out. And that looks really good. Let me close the door. So now that's how the whole carbon fiber area looks. Beautiful. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna throw the real carbon fiber overlays over here. I have the ones for the sides. I do have carbon fiber for the steering wheel with paddles, but I'm not sure if I'm going to install those yet because it's full carbon. I kind of only wanted to do here and here. It might get a little busy, but let me see how it goes. Let me see how I like it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next video for the overlays. I'm not going to show you how to put them on. It's pretty simple. Maybe I'll just mention what I use to put on them, that sort of thing, and what it looks like when it's done. But that's all for now. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to snap that back in. There you go. Good, isn't it? So that's what it looks like, guys. So yep, Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.